other news, with Typhoon Opong barreling towards the country, the Department of Interior and Local Government, or DILG, has put local governments on high alert. Several provinces are now under different alert levels as the storm threatens heavy rains and strong winds. Here's the latest from Ryan Lisigas.
The Department of the Interior and Local Government, or DILG, has placed all LGUs under heightened alert in preparation for the impact of Typhoon Opong. According to Pag-asa, the typhoon will bring heavy rains and strong winds. Because of this, 16 provinces that will be directly hit by the 100-kilometer diameter radius of the typhoon's eye are now under alert level Charlie. This includes parts of Bicol Region, Eastern Visayas, Quezon Province, Rizal, and Metro Manila. Meanwhile, 10 provinces fall under alert level Bravo, covered by 300-kilometer diameter radius. These areas may experience wind speeds of 85 kilometers per hour and heavy rains. At the same time, 27 provinces are under alert level Alpha or yellow alert, including Palawan, Negros Oriental, La Union, and others. The DILG also directed all LGUs to activate Operation Listo and ensure the implementation of preemptive evacuation if necessary. The DILG urged the public to remain alert and follow authorities' directives. The Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, also assured that it is ready and focused on the areas that will be directly affected by the typhoon.
Sa utos ng ating Pangulo, ang DSWD ay handang umagapay sa inyong mga pangangailangan. Sisimulan natin sa mga family food packs na pinamamahagi na habang tinetape natin to, at pati na rin ang mga mobile kitchen natin.
The DSWD has reportedly pre-positioned standby funds and stockpile worth 3.1 billion pesos at the central office and field offices. The stockpile includes about 2.5 million family food packs, other food, and non-food items.
Reminder sa ating mga kababayan, alam ko na gustong-gusto na natin bumalik sa ating mga tahanan, ngunit sana makinig tayo sa ating mga local government units. Pag sinabi nilang mag-preemptive evacuation tayo o manatili sa mga evacuation center, makinig po tayo.
Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.